Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, from this video we will begin to work to make this layout fully responsive. So I go to my notepad++ and this style.css page is open, but one thing is still remaining on this search box. So first of all, I write a comment to tell you about it, something /static/ and I write here fixes submit button. Height problem in Firefox. So friend, I come here and I first of all copy this class, Ctrl+C, and I paste it here. So after it I make column and then column, then I make /mouse/focus and /inner, and then I will make two curly brackets, and inside I will give some border 0. So friend, this property will solve the Firefox button height problem, because in Firefox this button height will be adjusted due to writing this property .tf button 2 column /mouse/focus/inner, and I gave border 0. So now friend, I will go to large.css and see that what is remaining here. So friend, I see that what work is remaining here: nav, header, logo, article, promo, nav, and friend, everything is okay here. So friend, we have stylized this style.css page style sheet completely, and we have also stylized this large.css. Therefore this our layout is ready for full screen. So now I go to my notepad++ code editor and I open the medium.css style sheet page, because we have not yet touched it. So I remove this example tag and Ctrl+S to save. Once again I will make @ and I will write charset double quotes and semicolon to close UTF/8. So friend, here I will write first of all comment /\static and static / to close, and here I will write layout medium screen. You can also write here layout for medium, for medium screen. Screens, Ctrl+S to save. So friend, first of all I will call the header tag and I will stylize this header. I will define its height 150 pixel. So I come down and I define background URL, because we will use an image for medium size. Same, first I will show you that we use this image. This is the header image, banner image, which we use in our large size devices. So we will also use an image for our medium sizes of devices. So friend, I go to my images folder inside and I show you that this is a large banner and this is the medium/banner JPG. I have made this in the beginning of this course. I said to you about all these images. So I come back here and first of all I write the folder name images, and then I will write the image name and extension medium/banner.jpg. So now I come out, no repeat, space 90% and 0 pixel. Control S to save. So now friend, I come here and refresh this page. First of all, I said to you, if I refresh this page, nothing will be happen because this preview is for the big screen. So first of all, I decrease its sizes to small medium screen. So friend, this preview is for medium screen. So you are watching that this header banner image is big and logo is also big. So when I refresh this page, then you see it. Then you see that this banner image should be changed, but I think it has not been changed. I don't know why. So I see that what is the problem. So I come here, background images URL medium/banner JPG, no repeat, 90%, 0 pixel, height 150. Actually the spelling of header is not right, so I will write here header and Control S to save. Now I come here and refresh this page. So now friend, you see that header image has been changed. Now we are to bring here the small logo. So I come back here and here I will call the header logo, header space a dot logo. So I define it is width 80 pixel, also define it is height 80 pixel, it is define it is top position 40 pixel and it is right position 20 pixel. And now I will place that logo image here, background image, column, URL and fences to close. So first I will write the folder name images / and I go to my images folder and this is the medium logo 60 × 60 medium/logo and its extension is PNG. So I come here and I write medium/logo.png. Control S to save. So now friend, I come here and refresh this page. So you see that this logo is been showing here. Its reflection is also showing here due to this space, but you don't worry, we will fix all these issues. So once again I come back on this my Notepad++ code editor and I see that has a logo with 80 pixel, height 80 pixel, top 40 pixel, right 20 pixel, and I go to this images Actually it is size is 60 multiply 60 and I gave it 80, so I think it should be 60 and 60. Control S to save, and now I come here and refresh this page. So now friend, this logo is looking very well. So now I come back here. Now friend, I begin to do some work on navigation bar, but I think this video has become very lengthy. It should be done in next video.